You were stationed there for a while, right?
Yeah.
Got any advice?
Back in 41, during the battle over Wake Island,
The wrenches ran into serious monsoons with embedded CBs that could tear your wings right off. Be careful. And one more thing.
I'm proud of you, Dusty.
Thanks, wingman.
Hey, Dusty, we have a surprise for you.
Oh, you gotta let me tell him.
Go ahead, Chug.
I know it. It's on the tip of my tongue. I'll remember.
We're going
We're going to Mexico. That's it. We're gonna meet you in Mexico.
Really?
Yep, tickets are on Sparky and me. We sold 326 Dusty bobbleheads, 143 antenna balls, 203 spinner mugs,
And 1,000 whistles. Go Team Dustarino! Yeah!
You sure you're up for it, Skipper?
You bet. Somebody else is doing the flying.
That's great news, guys. I'll see you in Mexico.
Yeah!
no
I'll bring the sauce.